hiking with the church. It's fun. So yeah, I have to get ready soon because I'm getting picked up at like 3:30, maybe 4. It's 30. Not doing too well. I mean, I am, but like, it's too early for this. So yeah, that's it.
Good morning, B00FVLOGS. I made a Nutella sandwich because we're going to hike in LA. Yum. It's like 3:10-ish? No, 3:05. It's 3:05. Alright, peace.
Don't mind the mess. It's just act like it's clean. Okay? That's not that. This is my outfit. I wore these yesterday, but like, who cares? I don't care. Shirt from Marshalls, pants from Marshalls. I'm gonna wear this jacket as a dragon on my back. It's very nice. From PacSun. I'm gonna wear those disgusting looking shoes. But it's because I don't want to ruin my other shoes. So yeah, now I gotta pack everything. Okay, bye. I'm gonna take the whole thing just for the fam. I'm gonna bring the whole box. I have enough space for everything else. Here, I'm just gonna bring extra clothes just in case I want to change. So yeah, that's the stitch. Bring shorts, the yellow shirt, yes, and these protein bars. Well, that's such a good angle. Oh. I think I'm just gonna take it. I'm gonna put them in there. Yeah. I got this stuff. Wow, this is going for 3 minutes.
That's not. What, you can't see me because I'm dark?
Oh, Mike. Mike Cerna.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi. You, Philip, are you ready?
We got a fish lens, you see?
We are ready.
Oh, I see it now.
We're about to go hiking, you know. The huge. The huge. Alright. So, it's the start of the hike. If we're not back, Mom, I love you.
Do a music video.
Bro, let's do it! Hey. Oh, hey! Oh!
You gotta get a shot right here, guys.
Right here. Like, yeah. Oh, scary.
Ooh,
Spoopy.
Spooky. I mean, L heart. L heart VE.
Fine.
Bro, I'm sorting. It's mine now.
Oh, Philip, say hi.
Who's popping?
What's poppin'? We're still hiking. Fun. Sweating, but fun. Here, can you hold this real quick? It's recording.
I have cookies in my teeth. Don't judge. Last time we went on a hike, I got a bloody nose. So let's hope and pray I don't get one.
Stop.
All right, I'm going to catch up on the tea.
Oh my gosh.
It looks like
Say hi, Matthew. We're still going. Fun. Walk. Oh, oh, oh.
Wow, Matthew, you're such.
Matthew, get up close to this. Get up closer. Put your face in the lens. No, closer.
What?
Closer. Okay, that's it. That's all I want to see. Thank you. Picture. Say cheese. Wait, no, go.
Picture time.
For sure. It's cold. I like cold water. Pretty young. Back to you.
Back to you.
Okay, bye. Yeah.
Leave me alone. I like that. It's like a circle in your camera. Huh? 3 miles.
0.2 miles.
Back to you. Every time.
Yeah,
Every time.
Every time.
Oh yeah, right there. Ew. Disgusting.
They'll be the one embarrassed.
I dare you. I dare you, Philip.
What? Horses do it? I can't either. Wait.
Ew, disgusting.
Bitch, please stay on the side.
Whoa. I almost died. Oh yeah. The Hollywood sign's right there, but like it's really foggy today. Like worth it, Eli?
No. My camera's not focusing.
You can't even see it. Nope.
I miss Halloween.
It's not worth it. Just kidding. Ba-dum. Ew, why is there water? Disgusting. Whoa. Whoa.
Going backwards, sis.
What if I want to?
You won't fall. You won't fall and you won't die. The same system is overloaded.
Go, what's wrong? Hollywood sign. Just stop it. How is this song?
7:30, guys.
That's that.
We're almost there yet. Day 537
It's only $103.
or
Oh, arrest. Never mind.
48.
Thought it was just a fine.
Wait, no, that makes sense.
Yeah.
We've been here for about 537 days. Almost there.
Look, there's another one over here. We should have brought a lock, Gabby.
Yeah.
And this drops. Wow, look at that. I'm all the way up here.
TJ and Philip and Matthew are all the way up there.
Back of us on
You
it.
know. Sis,
I'm tired.
we're taking a break now. Matthew's up there. Trust ball.
Didn't we do that last time? I think you can go way higher than that, bro.
I've never
It's just
walked
sketchy
so
though,
much
huh?
in my life.
worry, this is the Garden of Eden.
You're right. I can never be hurt.
No.
But it's fine. I'm doing great.
It's just a
I'm doing great.
social construct. It doesn't
I need Chick-fil-A. Okay,
Pain
bye.
is if we did like one verse.
It's the Hollywood sign. Look at that. What a view. What a view. What a view.
Hey,
Say cheese.
Chess.
You can see it's been getting a little rough today.
Oh, we can actually roll down if you want.
Challenge.
That's the Hollywood sign.
Last one down.
There.
Chick-fil-A.
Oh, bro, I'll beat you down there.
Show us where to go.
And if we won,
Sup?
that would have been a great experience.
We're done. 5 hours.
I never felt.
I want to say it's worth
I
it,
haven't, yeah.
but like,
At least we can pig out at Chick-fil-A now.
you're right, you're right, you're right.
The only time was the 2010
Everything's hurting, and I don't know why.
Yes,
when they
ditto.
lost their first game.
Totem pole.
And look at your face in it. At Chick-fil-A.
There.
Wow. And,
Did it.
oh.
You're cheating.
Hi guys. We're at Emily's house now. We big chillin'. Say hi guys. They're watching To All the Boys I've Loved Before. Hey, it's me, Gabby. Thanks for watching. Of course, make sure you like it. Subscribe to our channel so you know when we post new videos. Follow us on our Instagram and Twitter at B00FVLOGS, B00FVLOGS. Yeah, that's it. We chillin', you know. Hope you liked the video. Okay, bye Boofy Boofers.
I'm in so much pain right now. You want to know why? Because I fell off a tree.